Look at this. On one side, there is a simple calculator, and on the other, a self-driving car. Both are machines, but they work in completely different ways. The calculator follows exact instructions to give the correct answer every time, while the self-driving car learns from its surroundings, constantly adapting and improving. This difference in how they operate is what makes modern technology so fascinating. Artificial intelligence is a big part of our world today. The interest in it is growing exponentially, and in 2024, Google searches related to AI hit 42 million. So it's important to understand what does this really mean. When you dive into the world of AI, you will come across terms machine learning and deep learning. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they each represent unique aspects of AI. In the next 10 minutes, we are going to break down these terms and explore how they fit into the broader picture of AI. Alright, let's start with the big picture AI or artificial intelligence. AI is essentially the idea of creating machines and software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes anything from understanding speech, recognizing images, problem solving, and even making decisions. Think of AI as the brain behind smart assistants like Siri, the algorithms that recommend what movie to watch on Netflix, or even the systems that guide self-driving cars. It's an entire field of study ranging from simple systems that play checkers to complex systems that can beat world champions at chess. You will also see terms narrow AI and broad AI. Narrow AI is designed to handle a specific task. It can be really good at one thing, but can do much else. On the other hand, broad AI would be capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like a human. But we are still a long way from achieving true broad AI, and it remains more of a futuristic concept for now. Next up, we have machine learning. This is where things start to get really interesting. It's the subset of artificial intelligence. If AI is the brain, then machine learning is the process of teaching that brain how to think. In simple terms, machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates the process of identifying patterns and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Think about your email spam filter. It wasn't manually programmed to recognize every possible spam email. It learned what spam looks like by analyzing thousands of emails, identifying patterns, and then applying that knowledge to new emails. Over time, the more data it processes, the better it gets at catching spam. Machine learning is further categorized into supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. We'll explore these methods in details in upcoming videos, but in short, supervised learning uses labeled data to predict outcomes, unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning learns to make decisions through rewards and penalties from interactions with an environment. Zooming in even further, we have deep learning or DL. It's a subset of machine learning, a specialized type of machine learning. But instead of using simple algorithms, it uses complex neural networks, essentially a web of interconnected nodes that process data. It attempts to simulate the way the human brain works to process data and create patterns for decision making. Let's put it this way. If you are using machine learning to analyze images of cats and dogs, you might tell the system to focus on features like hair, tail, and fur. But with deep learning, the system learns on its own to identify the complex features, like the texture of the fur or the shape of the eye. It's this capability that allows deep learning to excel in complex tasks like image and speech recognition. So while deep learning is a part of machine learning, it pushes the boundaries of what machines can do. And often, outperforming traditional methods. Let's tie it all together with a simple analogy. Think of AI as the whole bakery. The bakery represents the entire process of creating baked products, from coming up with recipes, decorating cakes, everything. In this analogy, AI is the broad concept of using various tools and methods to make delicious baked products. Machine learning is like a specific cake recipe. It provides detailed instructions on how to mix ingredients and bake them to achieve a desired result. Just as a recipe guides you in creating a cake, machine learning involves using data to train algorithms and make predictions. Deep learning, on the other hand, can be compared to a highly skilled cake decorator that uses advanced techniques and tools to create intricate designs. Deep learning involves algorithms that process vast amounts of data to achieve highly detailed and accurate results, which can be directly compared to the process of creating a cake with elaborate decorations that require a deep understanding of techniques. To summarize, AI is the idea of creating smart systems, ML is a method to teach the systems using data, and DL is an advanced ML technique that mimics the brain's neural network to tackle complex tasks. I hope this video was helpful, so the next time someone throws these terms around, you'll know exactly what they mean and you will be able to explain it like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos.